What's up, guys? Are you wanting to buy best budget wireless headphones? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best budget wireless headphones are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1. Sony WH-CH710. You tell someone the phrase noise-canceling headphones and he will automatically think Sony. That's how good Sony noise-canceling technology really is. Of course, if you're on the lookout for the best noise-canceling headphones, you should check out the WH-1000s. If you don't feel like coughing up $350, you can still enjoy Sony premium noise-canceling tech, but at a fraction of the price. Behold the Sony WH-710, the best budget wireless headphones with noise-canceling tech on board. Granted, this model won't dethrone the WH-1000s, but it's your way to get a taste of Sony's great noise-canceling algorithms. The big 30mm drivers produce clear and yet powerful sound with great range, dynamics, and bass response. These headphones are also pretty comfortable and lightweight, and you can control your smart assistant of choice with the power of your voice. At number 2. JBL Tunes 750BT in C. For some people it's all about that bass, right? There's nothing wrong with that. And we know that JBL headphones are synonymous with powerful bass. The company has invented its own bass branding called Pure Bass to emphasize its love toward those frequencies. The JBL Tunes 750BT in C is one of the best budget headphones models if you love your bass pumping. These headphones are also crammed with features. They offer active noise cancelling, smart assistant voice control, a 3.5mm headphone jack, foldable design, and more. What's missing is Bluetooth 5 connectivity. These use the older Bluetooth 4.2 standard, but it's not such a big deal. The sound quality is pretty decent, and the ear pads are comfortable and help with sound isolation. Normally, the JBL Tunes 750 can be found for just around $100. You just need to keep an eye on deals if you want to pull the trigger on a pair. At number 3. Sennheiser HD350BT. You can't go wrong with Sennheiser. The brand is well known among musicians and audio professionals, and for a good reason. The brand has a decades-long legacy in making great sounding products. If you want to brag about how good your sub-$100 headphones sound, the HD350BT is your best bet. There's no active noise cancelling feature on board, and the controls are a bit fiddly, but boy do these headphones sound good. The bit drivers in the Sennheiser HD350BT deliver clear and crisp audio with great definition and resolution. You won't get the pumped up bass that many cheap headphones go for, though. For what it's worth, the bass response is pretty tamed and true to life. Sennheiser makes one of the best sounding headphones on the market, and this holds true even when we're talking about budget models. The Sennheiser HD350BT is easily the best budget wireless headphones model you can buy, and if you're lucky enough, you can find it for well under $100. At number 4. Sony WH-CH510. If you have a really tight budget, fret not, there are still options out there. The Sony WH-CH510 is a step down from the 710 model, and it's also a serious step down when it comes to the price. On the other hand, they do cover all the basics and also sound pretty decent. These budget headphones feature 30mm drivers that deliver pretty clear and detailed sounds. Plus, you can use them with your voice assistant, and when they finally give up on power 35 hours, charge them via USB-C. Nothing more to be said here. These are probably the best budget headphones from Sony. At number 5. Audio-Technica ATH-M20xBT. It's hard to beat the Audio-Technica M20xBT for their price. They come with the same sonic signature as the wired ATH-M20xBT professional studio headphones, amazing battery life, multi-point Bluetooth connection, and much more. Plus, out of all of the models on this list, They are the latest released budget headphones of their caliber, so if you want to have the latest, these are the ones to go for. Audio-Technica is known for its superb mastery over clear and accurate sound, and it is not different here with the ATH-M20xBT. They don't come with the best build quality, the ear cups cannot turn to make the headphones more compact, and don't support active noise cancellation. That being said, you get everything else that makes a good pair of wireless headphones. Good and balanced sound, comfortable and light fit, larger than regular drivers are an extra plus, and super long battery life. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.